malakas ang women's intuition. Sa inyo, gaano ba kayo kagaling mangutob? At kapag may kutob kayong may hindi tama, trust your instincts pa agad o kailangan mo nang may proof? I love the smiles. I love the smiles. We begin with Carlotta, other side. Sorry, Micah.
Ano ulit?
Magaling ka bang mangutob?
Minsan kasi nakakatakot din yung intuition natin eh. Kasi what if trauma lang siya? So, at the same time, may mga factors like I've realized earlier na may external factors din kasi yung mga bagay-bagay na nag-influence sa'yo, which is true. So, ayun, but I do believe if you trust your gut, and if you really believe that something is wrong, there's nothing wrong to like point it out. And parang,
It's valid.
yeah, parang okay lang to. Pero at the same time, let's just be sure na yung papasukan natin na relationship is talagang bibigyan natin yung buong tiwala natin sa kanya.
Okay. Kira, magaling ka bang mangutob? That's the first question.
Yes.
Ha! Okay.
Lahat po ng naging kutob ko in my past relationships, most of them were true. Talaga. I don't know what it is with the energy, pero malakas ako mag-sense na if there's something different, if there's the slightest change in your voice, in your body language, the way that you speak to me, I pick it up again. And I think women are blessed to have that intuition. So.
Interesting. Ito na, gusto kong pakinggan. Yen Santos. Magaling ka bang mangutob?
Sobra. Lahat ng kutob ko napatunayan kung totoo. Pero alam ko na minsan hindi rin siya talaga accurate.
Okay.
So, dapat...
Ano yung lahat?
siguro dapat gamitin
Doon ako
lang...
nakakadala.
Siguro dapat gamitin lang siya bilang warning sign, pero
Okay.
hindi final conclusion.
So may proof dapat.
Yes, dapat may proof pa rin. Pero ako, base sa personal experience ko, lahat talaga, dumadating sa akin yung resibo kahit wala akong ginagawa. Ganon. Yes.
Ang palay ang lumalapit sa mga.
Yes.
Galing.
At saka hindi naman yata exclusive lang para sa mga babae ang intuition.
That's true.
Para lahat yes, sa lahat ng tao meron yan.
Tama yung sabi ni Kira eh, may iba talagang malakas sa
Yes.
malakas. At magaling sa kutob. Elise, ikaw.
For me, I think intuition kasi is, di ba, your gut feel.
Right.
And when your body is telling you something, your body's not comfortable. Meron kang uneasy feeling. Meron kang nararamdaman na hindi mo maintindihan, hindi mo ma-explain at first. It's your body's way of telling you that something's not right. And you should always listen to it. Not necessarily you should magwala ka na or, you know, make a big fuss about it. Pero you should address it. Talk to your whoever, your partner, or even intuition when it comes to friendship or any kind of relationship. I-address mo yun. Kasi meron yung sinasabi sa'yo.
So kailangan ilabas mo siya.
Ilabas mo siya.
It has to be answered.
Yes.
Otherwise, repressed ano siya.
Oh, tsaka would you want that?
Sophia. Lagi ka na lang nininerve.
Grabe yung company so.
Magaling ka bang mangutob?
Makuto.
Mangutob.
Mangutob. Yes.
Okay.
And most of the time, most of the time tama ako. And now I try to let go of when I get anxious. Kasi it's scary eh. Just
So-
let the life be.
So you're saying, sometimes yung pagiging ganon, nangungutob, it also is something bad for you.
Pero I just choose to let go and not think about it. Kasi if may nagsisinungaling sa'yo, it will come na may araw na malalaman mo yung lahat ng katotohanan. And I don't want to control things too much. Because before I tend to control a lot. And parang frustrating na lang siya.
Okay.
So let the life be. It's gonna be full of surprises.
Carmina, magaling ka bang mamoto?
Alam mo, nahihirapan ako sa tanong. Kasi parang lahat sila parang ang bilis ng sagot. Yes, magaling akong mamoto. Ako, nahihirapan akong sumagot kasi with Zorin, wala akong ganon. So I'm very blessed na hindi ko kailangan mamoto. Pero let's say, may kutob-kutob ka. Let's say, we're not talking about Zorin. At nangutob ako, I still need proof. Kasi ano akong tao eh, sigurista akong tao. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin, ginawa ko to. Bakit? Paano mo lang ginawa ko to? Wala, kinutuban lang ako. Hindi pwede. Kailangan malinaw. Kailangan, ito ang prepa. So ngayon kinutuban ka, ngayon mag-investigate ka na. Pag nag-investigate ka na, syempre, I need proof, di ba? I need pictures. O ngayon, may pictures na. O ayan, ibigay mo na dun sa partner mo. Ngayon, bago mag-Zorin, kung magaling pa akong mangutot, nakalimutan ko na. Parang ang sagot ko yata, parang hindi. Before Zorin, parang hindi ata. Di ako sure. So, next, Julie, you better answer now. Come on.
Ay, nakakaloka yung sagot ni Carmina. Ay, hindi ka marunong mamoto dati before Zorin. Di mo nga nakutuban eh.
That's why, hanggang kay Zorin.
Mike.
That's why, huwag na natin balikan. Julie, itong kay Zorin, ito naman na yung time na to. So, again, balik tayo dun sa sagot kong napakaganda. Ngayon, wala na akong kutob-kutob. Kasi maybe there's no reason for me to have that kutob-kutob. Okay, moving forward now. Don't go to the past.
May headline na sila. Janine, ikaw naman.
Parang yes din. Oo, parang yes din. Oo.
So, ang next question nito is, kailangan ba trust your instincts agad or kailangan may proof?
Parang agree ako sa other women na it's your body's way of telling you something. And may ibang energy, parang may mali. And sometimes pa nga siguro dadating sa point na, wala to. Pero if it's like a soft nudge na won't go away, for me, tama ako.
Agree. Jericho, how does it feel working? Oh, hindi, iba yun.
Lakas din ako.
Iba na. For the girls na yun, Jericho.
Hindi, alam mo, minsan ano ko yun, nararamdaman ko yun.
Hindi nga, seriously. May kutob
Akala ko
ka.
talaga, lalaki ka dati, pero... No, I'm just kidding.
May kutob ka din ba? Minsan
Oo naman. Bro, like, syempre, energy lang din eh. Pag energy, pag nararamdaman mo na, iba lang sa amin kasi parang pag kinukutuban kami, parang kabag yung inyo. Diba? Parang iba yung manifestation. Anyway, nagkakakutob ako kung hindi maganda yung mangyayari sa Senado. Wala na talaga yan, diba? So,
pare-pareho tayo ng kutob dyan.
hindi natin pakinggan. Pakinggan po natin.
Pero how does it feel working with these women?
Oh my God.
Kamusta ang behind the scenes experience ninyo?
Horrible.
Pag yan nasulat
For
sa
others to not experience this kind of energy. It's great. Of course, the second time, blind ko na kay Janine, diba? One of the reasons why, I was really excited to take on the project was with her. Kasi bitin talaga. So, and I know her level of professionalism and, her pagkagusto niya sa mga projects and sa character and her process. So, it's something that I can, ride along with. Parang kami, medyo swak talaga, sakto. And then, being, getting, hindi lang kami masyadong magkasama sa set, but I'm so excited na magkasama ulit kami ni Miss Mina. Kasi kailan lang yung last show natin o katopat? Parang kailan lang yun, di ba?
10 years ago lang.
10 years ago. Yeah.
movie o yung series?
Hindi talaga nagkakasama sa eksena, dapat magkasama tayo. Gawa tayo ng pelikula about kutob. Nakutob. No, I really enjoy the female energy on the set, and I think it's because I grew up with my mother, and it's very caring, nurturing. Diba? These are like really professional actors, and we're always faced with different challenges on the set. These are warriors on the set, and I also like the perspective of the opposite sex, diba? So I love to listen and I love to share that energy. So you know, I mean, hindi lang yan kasi kasama namin si Tita Pilar Pilapil dito, who's she has the best life because she lives in Cebu and she flies to Bacolod or Iloilo. Then she talks about her resort and her life before and things like that. Carlito si John Reyna, of course not female, but there's Bernard Palanga. There's like marami pang Desiree Steele also. She's not here. Si Mara, si Yasi Pressman, diba? So great people, great character, great attitude on the set. So minsan din masarap pa lang ma-enjoy na onti lang yung testosterone sa set.
Maiba lang.
Maiba lang.
We're actually showing or flashing